What up, everybody? It's your boy Lord DC, aka Capital DC, back at it once again, bringing you the 7-Figure Side Hustle by Raymond Hardy. Hey man, before I get into that, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Man, that notification lets you know whenever I drop another video. Man, I got more and more content coming for y'all. Man, we're back at it again. Just so you know, I am one of the owners of a health spot called We Juice that's located in Hazel Park, Michigan. The address is 906 East 9 Mile. You know, what we do, we specialize in, you know, smoothies, raw juices, sushi, sandwiches. We got soups in there. We got shea butter, good for your skin, hair, and all that stuff, man. We got jewelry, fresh crystals, fresh gold, all holistic stuff, man. If you're going through any kind of stuff, you know, our motto is we want to enhance your life. We can enhance your life through anything, man, through your mind, body, and soul. When you step in that building, when you step in that place, expect for your life to be enhanced in some kind of way. It's the equivalent of watching this channel right now. When you watch this channel, you know what I'm saying, come with the expectation of, you know, me trying to enhance your life in any avenue. And for all my water drinkers, man, get some water in your body. Before I get into it, let's drink some water. You know, water's good for you, man. It's what works wonders for your body. So let's if you got some water around, man, let's put some H2O on our system. Soak up this information that I'm about to come forth with in the 7-Figure Side Hustle. Alright, the chapter we reading today is the chapter called Image. That's chapter 2. Image. Chapter 2. Now, before you go into business, know the business that you're entering into and make sure that you're doing things in a business-like manner, in addition to making sure your business appears worthwhile and worth doing business with. The first step towards making $1 million is God on your side and $1 million smile. And man, go to that $1millionsidehustle.com for more information. Tighten up your grill. Not like the kind the rapper Paul Wall made famous. And polish up your game in all aspects. You know, transportation, occupation, wardrobe, appearance, hobbies, networks, and associations, and print media, / marketing literature, and business cards. Image is everything. Perception eventually becomes reality. Thoughts become things. Everything about you should say that you are winning before you even say a word. Upgrade and invest in yourself. There's no greater physical investment on this earth than in oneself. Sometimes you have to splurge on a nice outfit or two and shoes and put your best foot forward. It's hard to lose with a fresh pair of shoes, and that's by the wonderful author Big Ray. It's hard to cut deals with dirt on your heels. That's by Darlene Hearn. You have to look like $1 million, at least look like you're capable of generating $1 million in order to attract millions. So if you're watching this and you want to attract $1 million, you have to look like $1 million, or at least like you're capable of attracting $1 million. You know, hit that like button if you're trying to make $1 million in the comment section and say that you're trying to win $1 million, that you're trying to attract $1 million, and that you're trying to earn $1 million. It's hard to secure $1 million contracts looking like Discount Danny with the flea market suit and a swap meet look. You have to look the part. Every day when you leave the house or office, it's lights, camera, action. Or as we used to say in the sports and entertainment world, it's game time, or, you know, it's show time. The camera's on. It's time to shine. Just as you're constantly evaluating scenarios, situations, surroundings, someone's always watching you. Somebody always got that eye on you, man. Me and my boy used to say this all the time. it's always, I don't want to, let's take it to the spiritual real quick. It's always spirits around you. It's always people around surrounding you. You're never alone. And that's not to bring fear, project fear into anybody, but people are always watching you. God is always watching you all the time. And the people who love you, our ancestors, they're always constantly guarding you and watching you. So you always have to present like you're always being watched, and keep your best foot forward, and understand that it's your time in the day. When you begin your day, it's your time to shine. Your preparation and presentation should speak for itself and open doors that the average consumer may have challenges going through. It's 5 things that you should always be in control of. A relative of mine once told me when I was younger that no matter what level you're on or whatever your plight is in life, there are 5 things that you should always have control of. That's to always have your hair combed, your behind washed, your teeth brushed, clean clothes, pressed, and shoe shine. And that's by Thenopolis Benefield. Take an extra minute or two at least 3 times a day, daily, to review your appearance like you're running for the campaign, like you campaigning or you're running for office. Every day is a campaign. You are running your campaign. You are your best campaign. And make sure that everything is in order so that when you present your products, goods, or services, you can put your best foot forward. If your goal is to win the Kentucky Derby, you don't want to go out looking or smelling like a donkey. To win the Kentucky Derby, you don't want to go in looking or smelling like a donkey. Just because that's a behind whooping waiting to happen. And you are in it to win it. Get a graphics art person. Create a business card that is outstanding, not necessarily too busy or extra flamboyant. That gives the impression that you are a winner. And if you put your fish, and if it's a fishbowl full of business cards, you will get selected. Also, look into getting an oversized version, which makes your card hard to lose. So when you give it someone, they'll know to keep it. You stand out from the pack. Put some show business into your show or business. When trying to attract new customers, clients, or patrons, you need to do something to attract a moment of someone's attention. If you see the need to use smoke and mirrors, use a few pops, or go Hollywood, then by all means do so. Because if your house catches on fire, people will come from miles around just to watch it burn down. Do something different to make your business stand out in the crowd. And better yet, give the consumer something outstanding to make sure that your business stands out in their mind or is a memorable experience. Here's a special note. Whatever you promise in your marketing medium, make sure that you fully deliver and you don't cut it short. Meet, beat, and exceed their expectations, because if you don't, somebody else will, which will make you the need to utilize your services obsolete. I'm going to say that one more time. Meet, beat, or exceed their expectations, because if you don't, somebody else will, which will make the need to utilize your services obsolete, which means it'll be diminished, obsolete, zero, done. So you want to stay above the pack. There's people always working harder than you, so make sure that you work hard too. Everything comes with consistency, hard work, dedication. Always take the time to bless those who are a blessing to you, and treat loyalty like royalty. Whenever possible, of which we will expand more in a later chapter. This will go a long way towards building a positive image. And that was from Big Ray and the 7-figure side hustle. Now, if you want to purchase the 7-figure side hustle, I got the link in the comments. Go ahead and click the link. Go to the website. You can order it there from Big Ray. You can reach out to him. You can reach out to me. I sell them at the shop at We Juice. Once again, the address is 906 East 9 Mile, Hazel Park, Michigan. You know, you want to stay above the pack. To stay above the pack is through the information. It's through the knowledge. It's through picking up a book and reading it. You know, you can cut up. Sometimes everything is in a book. You could learn from whatever the author has written. He taking his experiences, so you won't have to go down that same route. It's like the cheat code. So go ahead, man. Purchase the 7-Figure Side Hustle. Images, everything. That's chapter 2. When you go out, it's lights, camera, action. It's your time to shine, baby. You're in it to win it. You're in it. You will win. You are win. You already won, and you will win. But you gotta look the part. Reading is fundamental. You know why? It funds the mental.